officer.
License, registration, proof of insurance. Do you know why I pulled you over?
Yes, officer, I'm sorry, I was speeding.
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
Yes, sir, I always wear my seatbelt. After last time.
What happened last time?
Well, officer, I was really close to losing my life. And I really regret it. Let me tell you the story.
Just another sequel of some home videos, some sweet footage here. We got Dylan coming in on the bike. Make him shred it. Oh! Yeah! That was bad. That was great.
Your seatbelt. What? Your seatbelt.
Zach, your seatbelt! No! Zach! Oh no! Oh no, he's injured! If only he was wearing his seatbelt! Oh no! Zach! Oh god! Oh god! No, Zach! He's not coming back, dude. If only he had a seatbelt on. Oh god! Go get help! Oh god! Go get help! Oh. Good thing I had my seatbelt on, or else I would have fallen. No! He's not getting up. He's dying on me. Don't die on me. Breathe. Why?
Every year, many Americans die from car crashes. Many of these crashes could be stopped by wearing a seatbelt. 60% of all deaths related to car crashes are a direct result from a lack of a seatbelt. They saved over 15,000 lives in the year 2004 alone. Not only is it illegal to not wear one, but it's also very dangerous. I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message.
That's why you always wear your seatbelt.